To activate the Google Drive add-on with SignRequest, go to your Google Drive, and in the top right corner you see a settings icon. Click there and go to Settings. Over here on the left side, click Manage Apps and click Connect More Apps. Search SignRequest. And right here you'll be able to click Connect. And it will find your SignRequest account that is associated with the email address of this Google Drive account. Click OK. Now, if you want to also send a SignRequest directly from a Google Drive document, just right-click on the document and select Open with SignRequest. Now, since you just connected your account, you're going to need to log in. Now, immediately the document will appear in SignRequest, ready to be prepared as a SignRequest document.